Good day, my friends. Welcome to the channel. In this one, I will show you how to change your password on your Shopify store. Okay, so first let me show you how to update your password while you're already signed into your admin panel. So just log in with your credentials as usual, email and password, and then you can just click on your store name or profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Manage Account. If you can't find it here, we can actually, oh, there you go, I forgot about these settings. So this is what you're looking for. After that, guys, just swap into the security tab. It's the only other tab except for general. And as you can see, under the security section, we have the ability to change password. That's what you need. So you just click on the button here. Also, guys, don't forget, if you have any two-factor authentication set up, you will have to provide pass through your authentication. If, for example, you have it set up through your phone or Authenticate app, you will need to obviously just pass it right there. All right, so let me just input my old password. Okay, there you go. Passed my security check. And as you can see, in order to do this, you just need to go ahead and input this 6-digit code sent to your email address. Okay, so here's my code. Bingo. And now verified, and you can now change your password. So as you can see, you just input your current one. So as you can see, just input your current password, new one, and confirm, and then change, and bingo, you have a new password. Enjoy.